And Jesus, that noise that you heard was me stepping. Wait. Also guys, that Gulfstream clip, I'm not sure where it's going to be going. I was stepping back because of the blurriness. As you can see how it's clear now. But when I get closer, see, it does that. So that's why I took a step back just so I could focus it for you guys, okay? Okay. Guys, I stepped back again in this clip, okay? So yeah, we also have an American Eagle ERJ-145 and a Delta Connection Bombardier CRJ-900 that's gonna take off. But the American was waiting for this guy to land. And also, I'm gonna be having a new profile picture, and you know, I'm gonna be having a brand new intro for the trip report. I know I said that and I haven't done anything, but don't worry guys, it's coming. The Southwest 737-800 went like this and actually went like that, so it used the whole runway. But don't worry guys, I have that in a clip. It's that plane right there. Sorry guys, it got out of focus. There it is right there. That's the plane that used all of the runway. And here comes the American Eagle ERJ-145. Looks like we might have another plane taking off. Yes, we do. It's a private jet plane. It's also going to be taking off before the Delta Connection. Okay. Looks like we got some action here, guys. Again, that was me stepping back. Like I said before, in the American Eagle 145 right there. I stepped back to focus it for you guys. But here we go. Next up, it looks like we have a private jet plane up next. Possibly another plane. It is quite on the outside, so I can't really tell with all the planes. But it looks like we have a private jet that's going to be taking off next. You can tell that it's foggy because that plane just literally went into the clouds 2 seconds after departure. Now let's see this private jet take off. We might have another plane on the Delta Connection. I can't tell. But here we have a private jet taking off. So let's go. That was me gritting my teeth. Let's get back to the aviation part of this video. Yep, I was right. We do have a private jet taking off. Disappear. It gets quite louder, guys, as you're closer to the fence. It's quite louder. Yep, there is another plane. After this Delta Connection, I'm probably gonna stop this clip and have to play another clip. But of course, we gotta wait for that plane to move out of the way for this Delta. Also, there's also going to be a Delta A319 action coming on, guys. The Delta A319 just started operating here along with the United 737. But the 737 departed hours ago at like 6 a.m. So, yeah. And that noise that you heard is not me kissing. So don't assume that. That's me doing this. Because I was eating some McDonald's and Oreo McFlurry, so that's why. But anyways, we're just waiting on this Delta to pull onto the runway and depart. Also, pretty soon, guys, there's going to be a video coming out of the tour of Albany. I'm going to give a tour towards the trip report. So, I am going to have a clip of that, and it looks like we're going to have a plane landing. Okay. Next clip, that's this plane landing. Looks like a American Eagle CRJ type plane is landing. Or it could be a private jet. Oh, it's a private jet. You guys never know, because that looked like a CRJ 700 from my angle. It doesn't show it up on the camera. But I guess this is a private jet, and I told myself I wouldn't record this, but hey, what the heck. Great content out here. I'm glad y'all are enjoying my content. I really do like doing these plane spotting videos for you guys here. I know you guys see probably the same old planes, but it's okay. That's what makes Albany unique. You know, all the planes that you get to see, and at least you get to see planes. I'm sure at other airports they have much other gates and much bigger planes. But hey, what the heck? This is a small airport, and there's actually Albany Aviation actually had recorded a Boeing 777-200 and 767s from right over there. So yeah, but I'm not shouting him out or anything. I'm just pointing that out for all you guys who did not know what Albany is. This is Albany International Airport right here. We have a Delta Connection CRJ 900 departing for Detroit. And we should have a Delta A319 coming out from behind this building. Because you only see the gates up to that American Eagle right there. Like, behind this building are like all the other gates that you don't see. Unless you go to a certain area where you can see the whole entire terminal. There's three terminals. There's three terminals, A, B, and C. And 2 seconds later, it's already in the clouds. And next up, we have a private jet who was going to the runway. It looks like it will be taking off right after that Delta connection. I'm surprised. Normally those planes would wait until after the Delta connection clears before you take off. But okay, I'm not in control of this. So let's see what action we got here. I can't see the plane. Well, I can see the plane, but I can't see what type of plane it is. Oh, and it's taking off. Okay. Risks of crashing into Delta connection here. But okay, let's see. Okay, guys, it looks like that's all the action. The next clip should be an epic catch. You know something cool? It's the first time that I've seen an Airbus A320 take off this way. I mean, I saw a JetBlue Airbus A320 take off that way. Roll that clip. Yeah, guys, it's my first time seeing a Delta Airbus A320 take off. I mean, I was on that plane a few years ago departing for Detroit, but I left at 6 a.m. I should have recorded that. But this is the Airbus A320, and it's my first time seeing it go down that way and depart. So this should be so exciting. Every summertime, Delta will operate their Airbus A320 here. That's my mom's car running in the background, guys. Just clear. But the clip's gonna get noisier as the plane gets closer. Right, here we go. I don't know what that was. Sounded like a kid playing outside. But anyways, here we go. Tapping back. That way it won't be blurry. Last clip was of me stepping back before the edge of the road passed me. And you guys could hear that. It made. Also, there's a plane. That's about to be the next clip. And I know there's a lot of talking, but don't worry. These are some epic catches. I see a nice bus, CRJ 550, that's going to be departing right after this plane. It's my first time seeing the CRJ 550 depart. So let's see what the noise is like when it's right in this section. Again, that was me. Okay, now I'm McFlurry off my lips because I had that from McDonald's.